Time to create a drink that mixes two ideas together. Welcome back, and today we're going to create the Rob Roy. This cocktail essentially is like a Manhattan and a Martini. Reason being is that it utilizes dry vermouth and it utilizes Scotch. I'm using Black Label. You can use Red Label, Monkey Shoulder, something like that. If you wanted to go with a single malt, I would recommend going to a Highland or a Speyside. I would not recommend Isla just because the smoke might be a little bit too much. If you want to go that way, go ahead. I've never had this. So let's get into this. Need some orange bitters. I'm using Reagan's number 6. You can use Angostura, use any others that you want. So I'm going to go 2 dashes of Reagan's orange bitters. And now this is what people would call a 50-50 or a perfect type of drink. I'm going to go with 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth. This is Martini and Rossi. Noilly Plat would probably be just fine, or any other dry vermouth. I'm just using Martini and Rossi because, well, I got it. Not really and I don't do a lot of vermouth cocktails right now. And now for the true hard stuff. 1.5 ounces of your Scotch. I'm adding ice. I'm going to put in about 6 cubes, actually 7 cubes. 7 cubes of ice. Got your bar spoon all the way to the bottom. I'm going to give this thing a good stir. I want it cold because it's going to be served up. In a coupe, Nick and Nora, no ice. Good. By the way, if you want to use any of the barware that I use, check down below in the description. All the links are there. They are Amazon affiliate links. You make a purchase using one of them, I get a kickback. Thank you. Take a Nick and Nora, grab your julep strainer. Hawthorne is fine if you don't have a julep. And strain it through. And now garnish. Lemon twist. Lemon peel twist. Give it a spritz. Clean. And in. The Rob Roy. Cheers to you lot. It's like the dry vermouth just took it over. Maybe I should have used a more robust Scotch, because the dry vermouth has taken it. It's taken it in a direction that, personally, I'm not a fan of. Yeah, the dry vermouth for me, it takes the drink way too far into left field for me. I wonder. This is an idea for every cocktail. If something doesn't seem to suit your eye well, adjust your sweetness. I'm going to add a very scant amount of sugar to this because it's very dry, very, very dry. I'm going to add a little bit of simple to this, about half a bar spoon. I'm just going to give this a very light stir to incorporate. Okay, now let's re-add the twist. A little bit of sweetness. What does it do? It didn't do much. In fact, it didn't do anything. I don't get any sweetness. It's a dry cocktail. If you like Scotch, like drier cocktails, this is fine. For me, my palate, nah. This to me does not work. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. Get this going. Share it to your friends. Share it to anyone that may be interested in this. You can find me on my socials down here in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.